welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious tea. It's a tea to boost your immune system naturally to prevent those viruses. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have coconut oil, lemon, cinnamon stick, ginger, turmeric root, black pepper. Try to obtain the best quality of honey. And these are the only ingredients we need to make this delicious and amazing tea for boosting your immune system and preventing the viruses. Let's protect our families and make this delicious and amazing tea at home. So let's get started. I want to start here putting some gloves on. The reason that I'm putting gloves on and protecting the surfaces is because the turmeric really stains everything it touches. So I'm helping myself with some parchment paper right on top of my cutting board, and I have the turmeric here. I have already rinsed it very good through running water, and now I am ready to start slicing it. You know, the turmeric has a lot of benefits. It helps you with the arthritis, cancer, for problems of the skin, diabetes, and overweight. But more than that, it has a lot of antioxidants and antibiotics, natural antibiotics that are going to help your body. Well, here I have already sliced all my turmeric, and I'm going to put it directly into my pitcher. This pitcher goes right on top of the stove, so that's why I'm adding everything in here, okay? And now I have my ginger. As you already know, the ginger has a lot of benefits. Antioxidants, helps you with your bones, osteoporosis, high blood pressure, inflammation, diabetes, stomach problems, ulcers, cough, you name it. But this is the way I take the skin off of the ginger. It really doesn't take too long. The skin is so thin that's why you could even use a spoon to remove all the skin from the ginger. And here I'm just gonna slice it in half, and then in very small and thin slices of ginger, and this is going to go directly into my pitcher. Remember, this tea really boosts your immune system the natural way. I'm adding a cinnamon stick, and you know that the cinnamon stick has a lot of antioxidants, helps you with their circulation. And for all this, you need to add a little bit of black pepper. And you might be thinking, why black pepper? Black pepper is going to help your body absorb all the nutrition, all the vitamins, all the properties of these spices I'm adding here. Once you add your water, I am going to cover it and take it to the stove and cook it in very low heat. Every time you make a tea, try to just put it on the stove in very low heat and let it cook there until it's nice and boiling. And that really doesn't take too long, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Look at this. I'm just gonna leave it here, and I am going to continue with my lemon. And of course, the lemon has been washed and rinsed, and I'm going to use the skin of this lemon, and I'm using a potato peeler because I want to make sure that I just get the skin and I don't get the white part of the lemon. The reason that you don't want to get the white part is that it is so soured that if you add the white part, your tea is going to come out horrible. And that's exactly what you don't want. You want to remove the skin carefully, slowly. And once you remove enough skin, I'm going to put it in a little plate and I am going to reserve it. And then I'll show you when I'm going to add it to the pitcher. Well, here I have the lemon and I am going to use the juice of this lemon. This lemon has seeds, so after I'm done, I'm gonna make sure that I remove the seeds very carefully. And with this little gadget, look, I don't leave any juice behind. And of course, this little gadget you could find in Walmart, in Target. You could find them in even supermarkets. Well, here I'm going to start removing all these seeds out because, of course, I really want to enjoy this tea with no seeds. Okay, once this is done, I am going to add the honey. And remember, when you're enjoying teas, try to add a very good quality of honey. That's very important. The kids here at home really love this tea. And like I said, it's a boosting tea for your immune system, especially in these cold weathers where the viruses are here and you want to protect yourself and your loved ones. Once the honey and the lemon have been incorporated, look at this. There is no honey on the bottom of this dish. And now I'm just going to reserve it. And let me show you here that it's already creating small little bubbles, but yet it's not even boiling. So I'm just gonna let it here. The color is already changing. When it starts making those bubbles, I am going to add the lemon peel. The lemon peel has so many properties. The oils that it's gonna leave behind and the flavor, the aroma, it's really amazing. I'm just gonna let it cook until it's nice and bubbling. Look at this. You could see that you could already see the little bubbles coming from the bottom to the top, but yet most of the ginger is still on the bottom. You wanna make sure and do this in low heat so that the tea, it's so intense with all these flavors and benefits that you could drink this tea cold or hot, you name it. It's really going to boost your immune system. And why do you want your system to be boosted? So that you don't get sick, you don't get the cold, you don't get the cough, especially in this cold weather. You want to be nice and protected. How do you get protected? By adding this tea, adding the ginger, the turmeric, the lemon, the lime. Remember, always add the pinch of black pepper. The pinch of black pepper is going to really help your body absorb all the benefits from this tea. Well, now that it's nice and boiling and you see everything going up and down, when you see it just like this, you go ahead and you turn it off and leave it there on the stove for just a couple minutes so that everything relaxes and the water really gets infused. The tea is going to come out amazing. And believe me, even the little ones are going to enjoy this delicious and amazing boosting tea for your immune system. I wish you guys were here so that you could really smell the aroma that is leaving behind. Well, here I'm going to put it through a sifter so that I don't get the little pieces of the ginger. I'm just going to put it through a sifter. And once I am done, I am going to add a couple of tablespoons of the honey and the lemon. How much honey, how much lemon? It's to taste. If you want to add a little more, if you want to take a little bit off, that's okay. Or you know something, even if you don't want to add anything at all, it tastes amazing. I love adding lemon and honey. So now, this is the best part. Adding 1 teaspoon of the organic coconut oil. And this is how it looks when it's just at room temperature. But if the weather would have been hot, it would be very liquidy. So now I want to show you so you don't get scared and you say, what's this? You're just going to get 1 teaspoon. That's going to be more than enough. And you know that the coconut oil have so many properties for you. So many good properties. Even when you cook with coconut oil, it's even better than any kind of oil. Well, here it has dissolved completely. And now I am ready to enjoy this delicious and amazing tea. I wish you guys give it a try and give it to your family and enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. Thank you for being here. Done with this delicious and amazing tea. This tea is going to help you boost your immune system, fight the virus. Let's protect our families and let's make this delicious and amazing tea at home. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Nice and warm. And the taste of the coconut oil, perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You protect your family from the viruses and make this delicious and amazing tea. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious and amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. And see you soon. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.